Welcome back to the channel. We're Darren and Poppy. If you missed last week's video, we've taken on van life in the street. In this series, our mission is to renovate and underbuild by doing as much work as we can to save as many euros as possible. Let's get straight into it right after the intro. So, update, day 2, hang on, Alexa, stop. So an update on day 2's progress, taking down this ceiling, and we've opted to knock out this wall completely, and the lounge is now a whole lot bigger. The original plan was to make this section, knock this out, and then make this part of the bathroom. That would have been a wet shower area. But now, this wall can come out to make this bathroom slightly larger. We're going to bring it in line with this wall and this front door. I'll show you. This front door is now going to be outside, so we're going to brick this up, and then the front door is going to go here, so we've got a porchway. So yeah, making progress. That's our plan so far today. Junior and I are knocking out this bathroom, which was going to be Junior's bedroom. It's now going to be our bedroom. Now going to be our bedroom, so check back later. Hola. Aquí, por favor. ¿Sí? No. Vale. Our first delivery of materials. Sand and cement. Yes, mate. That means we can start putting it back together. Little mission, Poppy and I. We're going to try and cut down this bush. Get rid of some of this tree. So we can park the buggy.
So we can park the buggy right here. Somewhere.
Got the lead?
Yeah, not the black one. The black one's giving power to the camper van.
Valid. There's another black one.
No, there's not.
We're already using it.
Where is it? Down here.
It's obviously going into the camper van. Right, we're getting somewhere. Bush is gone, fence cut down. I don't know what that was. It's going to be fun.
That's my potatoes. They're eating you. Lawn the mow.
Lawn the mow!
Mow the lawn.
Right, wish me luck.
Good luck.
What's it doing?
Cutting all the grass. Spinning. Right, I'll drive it, you push it.
We'll be able to do this.
You nearly killed a snail.
Oh well.
No! Come on, mate. Go be free.
Fuck me, we're in. That was a mission. Good morning. So, don't know what day we're on. Where was I? Completely lost track. I don't even know what day we're on. And making this video was really difficult. Trying to work, trying to keep it in some sort of order and video. So if the video looks a mess, apologies. But as you know, we've now had our delivery and I have been busy putting things back together with the sand and cement that we had delivered. So if I just switch you around quickly, we've got this section of the floor is now nice and level, and I've done the same in the bathroom that Junior and I ripped out. As you can see, this section's just bare tiles still because that was relatively flat. And we've bricked off this wall, which I'll show you from the other side as well, just quickly. That's now completely blocked off. And no judging, I am not a builder, but this is the first time I've laid bricks and it looks alright. I've left a gap for me to render or plaster. Again, I've never rendered, but I've done a little bit of plastering and I'm intrigued to know what this is going to be like because it's a slightly different product here in Spain. It's called this alisamento or alisados, which is a standard plaster, which in colour is white or whitish, whereas in England it's you know, like a brownish colour, which I've used it before. Not the best plasterer, but I've done it. So today I'm going to give rendering a go. So I've rendered this little section, looks alright. And now that's blocked off, I need to bring this back up to a reasonable thickness, so probably a couple of coats on there. And then this bedroom is ready for plaster once that's dug out. So, making progress. Crack on now, and I'll check back in a few hours or so once I've got this wall rendered. That is not bad. It's nice and flat. Considering I've never really rendered before. Just took my time. That is looking good. Ready for plaster. Looks pretty flat. Anyway, you're probably wondering, well, first off, if you've made it this far, thank you. Give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you want to see the next video. But I'm going to leave you with Poppy now because she's going to explain why we've got the thumbnail that we've decided to pick on this video.
So, today, Darren was sat doing his work and we have noticed that someone's tried to get into the camper van, which is very upsetting and very annoying. What we think, we don't know for sure, is we think it happened where we're parked. We don't know if it was when we were away, but we think it was here. We noticed that the door was not completely flat, and we think they've either got a screwdriver or a crowbar and tried to get in, but it was pointless, absolutely pointless, because there's nothing in here to take. Whether they were trying to take stuff, the That's the alarm going. Whether they were trying to take stuff from the camper van or trying to take the camper van, I don't know. But it makes me very angry and very sick inside that someone could try and do that. So I'll show you where they tried to get in and failed. The alarm's going to go off. Big crack here where I think they've pushed through, and all scratches to the door. They've completely buggered the door up, and then if you look, it's not flat anymore. So yes, not good, not good. But luckily they didn't get in and they didn't take anything because there's nothing in there to take.
Yes, so just continuing on there from what Poppy was saying. Yeah, we're pretty pissed off that someone's tried to break in, especially when we don't know when it is. We don't know if we was in here asleep or if it was when we was away and parked in the car park. Anyway, we've reacted quite quickly. We had a camera in here before and then we moved it into the house, but we've just ordered another camera, which is an Easy Viz, which we really like because it's so simple to use and there's always good connection. So we've ordered a completely wireless version, as opposed to the one that we've got here, which needs to be plugged in. But temporarily we're going to use that, and we've gone out and ordered, well, we didn't go in here, we've ordered off Amazon a couple of these locks. We'll put a link in the description. So I highly recommended that you react before this happens. This is going to go here and then slide across into the door. So let's get them fitted and hopefully we don't have any incidents like we had the other day.
Why was the choice to have it there?
Why? I just thought, as soon as they tried to break in up there.
Will it fit on the back one as well or not?
Well, it does, but it overhangs a little bit, but only when you open it.
That's alright, isn't it?
I'll put it in the middle on that one. Feel better?
Yeah.
Right, I'll try it on the door with the door shut. Muy bien, muy bien. I'll fit one on the back door as well, just here, just to be safe. And we can relax now when we're in bed. Just add into our security, and no fucking one getting this door now. Let's put in one this small. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. So join us next week as we beef up security and Poppy plots stealing some land.
Come on, Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder. Can he fix it? Bob the Builder. Yes, he can. Building and fixing having so much fun. Working together to get the job done.
Okay? You can go later because you're precious. You don't actually. No, you're going backwards. You need to go forwards. Front door that way. Front door that way.
I need to get rid of the other two.
Right. You go in. In you go, good girl. In there.
I'll show him in.
In.
You go. No, wrong way.
Oreo. Come here. Come here, baby preciousness. Come here.
Yeah.
Wrong way.
In.
That's how we're not in it.
Right, next one.
Right, here comes Flo.
In there.
Right, this is it.
Won't be a minute.
Okay, you ready for a little walk? Come on then. This way. No. This way.
Right, here we go.
There you go. Go on then. Walk properly.
No way she's walking, bless her.
Walk properly. Come on then.
Get a cat cam.
Come on then. Oh no, the bathroom door's not.
Shut up, eh?
You just shut it just in case, you know, they decide to open it. Come on, Rushwell.
Yeah, they think they can't walk when they've got these on.
I might go a little bit tight, but
Yeah, it's better that than it escapes.
it.
You know what I mean?
No. Rushy. Come on then.
Won't let that go.
She won't run. She thinks she can't.